Hello, I'm going to present today on grocery management system. This is an Android project on grocery management system. This system will help us create a ledger type of thing that will help us keep track of credit and debit of our groceries. So this is helpful in supermarkets like a small supermarket or grocery store. So as you can see here, we can search by categories and we can put in a date timeline of to check the transaction between that timeline. Here we get total amount, debit amount, and total net transactions of that particular day or timeline. We can search by date. So on that particular day, which what kind of transactions were done, all are listed here. The total amount, the total debit amount, and the final amount. We can search by month. So, for example, we'll select February month since we have data for February 2021. This is the total credit and debit. This is the entire month's debit and credit. So for this particular day, we have the data, and we can see that we have a list of debit and credit. Now we can add here a new type of debit or credit event. So credit event, and we'll select just random where you can put in some uh, put in a new category name if you want. You can put any amount. As you can see, milk category was added to the credit on the left hand side. Now we'll try something debit. We created a new event water. As you can see, the amounts and the table is neatly created here with the entire credit and debit information and the final information. Let's debit credit some more water and see what happens. As you can see, 88,000. It was 68,000 earlier, as we can see. So this is to show the persistence of the application. So we quit the app, we came back. We can still see events for that particular day or a time frame, whatever we did. So since we had added water, we can see that here we debited and credited water on the same day, and the transactions for water are displayed. Same goes for milk, and this can be done for any category. And since the categories can be added by the user, he or she can have a lot of manifest file. The manifest file is contains metadata mainly about information about launches or activities. Activities are basically the use that we add to the application. So this is the main application. Uh, this contains so all the code for the main activity. It has data. It creates and sets the context of the application. It prepares the data from the database so that it can be listed. So these are the helper files that are used to make different functions like gate click. It contains image views, text views, layouts, spinners. A lot of UI controls are here present, and as you can see, there are a lot of UI elements and date pickers. Everything is done here. but we go to search buttons activity file. So this is the where we set the buttons, how the buttons work. There are three buttons: main button, search by category, and all. So this is how it's done. Insert and credit activity. Here we add or delete the. We make basically we make the calculations that we do that helps us maintain the database values of events and grocery items. So this is the credit activity which shows us credit information, and we can, as you can see, this is how we add item to the database. We even test the application that the context was set or not. So this is a basic test in case it's not a major test configuration. So adapters are important. Adapters are the layers that help us connect with the database and help us do various kind of activities, activities that require database connectivity or some kind of connectivity. That's why they are called adapters. As you can see, we keep on persisting the data that the data is shown on the screen whenever we open or close the application. So this is the date converter that was written so that we get the date in required time format, since dates are different in various countries. And this is the how the database is connected and fetched, and data is inserted. Uh, the same goes for credit amounts, for category data. So category data will keep category information. This will keep the credit information. And as you can see, this keeps the date information. All the dates, the when the transactions happened, or day when the entity was added in the list. So it sets the date in the database. Thank you.